In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll and switch employees to direct deposit in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be able to confidently update your employees' payment methods and process a complete payroll from start to finish. First, let's set up your employees for direct deposit. Before you touch anything in QuickBooks, make sure you have proper authorization from each employee. Have them complete a direct deposit authorization form and give you their bank information from a voided check. This ensures you have accurate routing and account numbers and keeps you compliant and protected. Once you have that information, sign in to QuickBooks Online and go to the Payroll section. From there, open the Employees tab and choose the specific employee you want to update. This will open their profile, where you can manage how they're paid. Look for the payment method area in the employee's profile. You'll usually see an option to start or edit the payment method. Click that, and in the drop-down, select Direct Deposit as the payment type. In some versions, the wording may look slightly different, or you might see a paper check option as well, but you want to choose the Direct Deposit option for electronic payments. Next, carefully enter the bank details exactly as they appear on the employee's authorization form. Type in the routing number and the account number, and then choose how the funds should be deposited. You can send everything to a single account, split pay between two accounts, or in some setups, leave part of the pay as a paper check. Make sure your employee has clearly indicated their preference before you decide. When everything looks correct, click Save or Done to confirm the changes. Repeat this same process for each employee you want to pay by direct deposit. Now you're ready to run payroll. Go back to the Payroll section and select Run Payroll. First, choose the correct pay schedule, like weekly or bi-weekly, and continue. On the payroll screen, review the pay period and the pay date. For hourly employees, approve their hours from your time tracking tool, such as QuickBooks Time if you use it, or manually enter and edit their hours and any additional pay details. As you review each employee, double-check that the payment method shows as direct deposit for those you've set up. If something looks off, adjust it here before you move on. Finally, preview the payroll. Review total pay, taxes, and net pay amounts, and select the bank account in QuickBooks that you'll use to fund payroll. When everything looks good, click Submit Payroll to finalize.